So today we're gonna go take a look at one of the gyms today, get a quick little workout in. So this is how I got my first hot shower while staying in the DR. The thing is, I showed you guys the hotel that I was staying at. So last night, last night, I came home from a bar or something, and I got on my bed, and I noticed I sunk down. I just sunk right down. That one of the legs was not working. So what I did was I used one of the three beds, one of the smaller beds that was there, and just pretty much slept. So when I woke up, I told one of the staff members about the bed being damaged, right? And they took note of it. I needed some toilet paper. They got me some toilet paper. I went to the gym for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. And when I got back, one of the staff members approached me and they asked me, do you want to upgrade your room? And I was like, sure, which room? And they're like, we'll give you room 5. And room 5 is the room that I initially really wanted and thought I was getting, but unfortunately I was given the other room. But it's okay because I was getting used to it, right? So they gave me the upgraded room, and now I'm enjoying my stay a whole lot more. The room is a lot better. It's smaller, but it's just me, so I'm okay with it being small. But let me show you guys around this new room. Keep in mind, the first thing I did while coming here, I took a shower because again, I just came from the gym when my shirt was drenched. But let me show you guys around. Hey, what's up, everyone? Now that I've settled in, join me for a tour of Park Independencia in Santo Domingo, Zona Colonial. I'm not a history expert, just a curious explorer. Let's uncover the stories of the Dominican Republic's founding fathers at Altar de la Patricia.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Special. You know what it is? Independent Park.
Thank you. You said Independent Park.
Yes. They call Independent Park. You know why? Because this country government called for Haiti. 1822 to 1844. 27 February separated the island. Haiti and Dominican Republic, same island, but different countries. Haiti speak Creole and Dominican speak Spanish. Every Dominican people got a mixed rights.
Gracias. As I give you guys a tour of this beautiful park, just keep in mind that the video might not do it justice, but just pause and soak in the beauty of the park's botanical wonders. It's a green haven in the heart of Santo Domingo. If you guys didn't know, the design and the architecture of this amazing landmark was actually influenced by the French gardens of the 19th century. It was created to provide a serene type of atmosphere. Like I said, guys, I'm not a history expert, but here's a quick fun fact. Did you guys know that this park was actually once a battlefield? Yes, this actual park was once a battlefield, but now it's a peaceful oasis in Santo Domingo. Tell me why I'm the only one sweating like a dog out here. I mean, it's really hot, and I'm from Florida. I mean, obviously, I think the biggest thing here is that obviously back home I don't have a reason to be walking around all day and checking things out and exploring, but having to do so here, whew, you do feel the heat. But it is nice out though. I'm in. Seeing that, like I said, that this amazing landmark was once a battlefield. Keep in mind, guys, that this landmark was an integral part of the Dominican Republic's struggle for independency. The landmark witnessed a plethora of key events throughout the Dominican Republic's history, and again throughout its fight for independence. As you guys admire the beauty of this beautiful park, keep in mind that Park Independencia is not just history, it's a living testament to the resilience of the Dominican people. Remember, this land, these groups of people have gone through a lot to be where they are today. Okay, guys, what is this over here? Let's take a look inside. If you guys know what this is, please just let us know in the comments. But it's really cool, and you can see all the autographs or signatures and stuff that are in here. I'm not sure what it is or what this thing was used for, but it's really cool. Okay, guys, our tour has finally come to an end. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and do remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you.